Hey guys, how's it going? This isn't going to be a fun video. Sorry it's been so long since I posted, but there's a reason for that. There was a lot of uncertainty this year at work. Most of you know, probably know I'm a teacher. My administration kept me in the dark about everything, and then 2 days before school ended, they said, oh, by the way, we're not going to renew your contract. And they could never give me a straight answer as to why. So, screw them. I resigned from my position and put the house up for sale. Teaching is hard. I know I'm not the best teacher, but my students did learn. And if my district can't see that, well, it's on them. It's their ship. It's sinking heavily by the bow. And the leadership is steering it to the bottom. But anyways, I digress. So the truck is loaded. We've made 2 trips already. We're moving out of the area. We're getting out of the UP. Out of this toxic environment here. Not the whole UP, just this little Keweenaw. It's a beautiful place to visit, but if you choose to live here, some people, not all, some of them they don't like outsiders very much. They think their heritage is high and mighty, even though it's usually the opposite. So I thought this would be a good time to give you a quick tour of the house while it's empty. And I'll give you a tour of the new shop. About 8 hours away. It's pretty cool. The Amic number 3 and 4. Big slab of copper up front there. Well, that's a cool old sign. Oh, no. They're doing this stupid kitty parade at 1. It's 10 o'clock. Jiminy Christmas. I live that way. Sugar. Alright, well, let's see what the heck is going on here. Who's this idiot? I guess the kitty parade has been changed from 1 o'clock to 10 a.m. Okie dokie. Of course, they're parading right down to the house. Go figure, hey? Oh well. Jeez, all I want to do is get to my house. Oh, who the hell's on my lawn? They're gonna die. Still mine. Did they mow that lawn? No. Well, here's the house. I don't know who the hell this is. Here it is, finally, after long last. Some of the stuff you might recognize. Let me back up here, just give me a minute. Alrighty, we'll go in the side door. Never mind, let's go in the front. I think I left it open. Yep. So we come into the front porch area here. Ouch. Really nice neighborhood here. I'm going to miss my neighbors. Awesome people. A little front porch. You know, this is a historic house. It is over 100 years old. Built things a little differently back then. From the porch, we go into a living/dining room. My TV was here to the right. On our left, you have what was the office. Some awesome shelves there. Cool little phone table there. This phone jack there and everything. This was like a den, I guess you could call it. And this right corner was where my desk was and the computer that I edited the videos on. Weird walls, these things. It's like this 1950s like fiberboard stuff. Hard to describe it, and I hated it. I had plans to rip it out, but never did. Back to the living room. I have the formal dining room, which was a bedroom last night. Cool feature about this house is the stained glass window inserts. See what we can see of those. There we go. I always thought that was really cool. Side garden there. Go to the backyard here real quick, just take a look out. I despise these windows because they leak like a sieve, but there's the backyard, and oh look! Snowmobile trailer full of crap. Back to the formal dining room here. We'll go into the kitchen. More of that stained glass. Nothing special here. I had all kinds of junk up there. It was fun to look at. More shelves. Other stuff. Now we go into like a, I called it the breakfast nook. This is a newer part of the house here. Excuse me. And the first floor bathroom. Nothing special, really small. Nothing special. Got your shower, your sink, and your pot right there. So, back to the breakfast area, and let's head downstairs real quick. There's actually two ways to get downstairs. This is the old way. Still got some crap there I gotta clean out. Here's that side door. This door right here, I'm kicking, was the original side entry door from 120 years ago. Still here. Basement. Mining rock walls. That ain't going anywhere. Creepy room number 1. This was full of firewood at one time. Note the sandstone foundation. I always thought that was really cool. Two by 6 rough cut, holding everything up. More of that mine rock foundation. Remember, this was a mining town. Nothing major over here. The original cast iron commode. I don't know if it works or not. I never tried it, but pretty cool. If I could take that up, I would. I just like it. Sink, all that kind of crap. Or a washer, I mean. Your plumbing. Where that water came from, I have no clue. Probably from the floor. Who knows? There's junk over here. New owners can have fun with all of that. We put in this new window last week. That was a pain in the butt. Over here was a big radial arm saw I gave to a friend. I didn't feel like moving it. My workbench was here, the downstairs workbench. I did the reel mower on. It's right here. There was a Craftsman table saw from about 70 years ago and a buffer from probably 100 years ago right here, which is now in the new shop. Ouch, we have creepy room number 2 with a sticky door to match. This is all full of wood. Probably saw some of it. Oil tank. It was a coal room originally. The cool part about this room is, check out this tile. I don't know if we'll be able to see it or not. Look at the pattern. That's crazy, huh? Whoever built this house had some cash. It's not actual tile, but they were incredible masons that put the foundation in. You know, that kind of detail. Pretty cool. Anyways, let's get out of here. I don't like this room. I don't mind the basement, I just don't like that room. Or that door. So yeah, that's the basement. Newer boiler, newer water heater. Let's go up and go back down. Part 2 of the basement. It's gonna be a warm day today. Here we have a sauna. What would a house in baby Finland be without a sauna, as they call them? It's electric, but it does work. Complete with your shower and everything. Yeah, never used it. I always used it as storage. Whoopsies. So there it is. I'm assuming this is the original sink from the other side. Probably. Yeah, last minute stuff. No, they can all have this. So let's go up to go up. So we're in this, again, the breakfast area here. Cool old light. I thought it was cool. And we go into the hallway. Now, in old houses, you'd see this. Turns on that old light. Pretty cool. And we go upstairs. Sorry, my back's hurting today, so I'm going a little slow. Some cool architectural details here. Going to bedroom number 1 where there's no light. Or, well, there is a light, but it doesn't work. Nothing major. Cool thing about this house, every closet has a light. And it was an original light. Built in, you know. Pretty cool. And a door, of course, and all that. Small closets, though. About 110 years ago, people had 3 kinds of clothes. 3 sets of clothes. Work clothes, extra clothes, and Sunday clothes. Here's the master, quote unquote, the master bedroom, aka the room where I slept. Nothing spectacular. The door doesn't like to stay open here. The door is up in the attic, but I always thought the detail here was really cool. Above the doors, a good view here. There we go. This divot right here was me throwing a book at the ceiling trying to kill a bug from bed. So yeah, there was that. The head, nothing special there. Cool sink. Minus the fact it's dirty. Check out the eagle. I know it's shaky, I'm sorry about that. Isn't that cool? Anyways, that was cool. So again, turlet, shower, bathtub, all that crap. Extra storage. Bird's eye view. More of the junk. Is not going to be a fun drive today. Full of that trailer full and the truck full. Alright, so that's the outhouse. Bedroom number 3. Where I slept last night. Just nothing. It's a smaller bedroom. A closet. Hopefully there's nothing in there. If there is, it's going to stay. I don't care. Old-fashioned wallpaper. Look at that. I like it. Peel it up. Take some with me. Excuse me. Just ate breakfast. This is plaster. Original plaster. So, pretty cool. And finally, we have the 3rd floor, the attic. Whew, it's warm up here. Nothing special, it's just an attic. But the cool thing is all of these boxes, they were used as insulation. Now check this out. Kellogg's Corn Flakes. The house was originally built as to house the storekeepers for the town. So it stands to reason they would just use extra boxes from the storeroom for insulation. That was the practice anyways then. So 2 2x4 studs on the supports. Anyways, there's the house. I know you guys wanted a tour for a while. I hope that explains a little bit of why I haven't been making videos. So, onward and upward. Time for a new chapter. As always, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting. And thank you for subscribing. Later.